it's so exaggerated. Like,
Frank, let's go. We're running out of time.
We're losing time.
Honestly, all the planes do it.
Video.
Video, baby!
Oh shoot, I was controlling the wrong one.
I was really flying.
You were controlling the wrong one?
Yeah.
Dude, it's darker than we think. We gotta stay close.
Landing flat.
Hey, it's not a helicopter. Come on.
Gear up.
Oh, that afterburner looks so good.
It's so bright. It's making it hard to see. Oh, Frank, this gyro, my God.
Isn't it amazing?
It's made the plane so much more fun to fly.
That is cool, that afterburner.
Yeah, this is the one you can buy from Rand.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Hey, I'm gonna complain about you guys on Facebook.
Oh, come on.
Coming too close to the
Too
floor.
close to Picka! Taking off landing.
Taking off landing.
Oh, I see where you can see through the side.
Yeah.
So where you just put some...
All I have to do is paint the inside
Yeah.
and you will be able to see.
Now I gotta put one in this plane.
Whoa, I'm in the clouds. I thought you had one in there, Frank.
No, man. I did get into the cloud.
Whoa, I can't see it. It's dark now, you can tell because the afterburn is blinding me.
Time remaining 1 minute.
You guys, on top of us, it's blue sky,
Way up there.
you know? Yeah.
Oh, it's going, it's disappearing.
Get back, get back.
Yep. El Miguel.
El Miguel. Alright, I'm going to do a little high alpha, then it's almost time to come in.
Yeah, okay, that was definitely
30
over my
seconds.
That was, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna come
Don't
back.
report me!
I'm gonna report.
No reporting, I'm doing high alpha from the right.
I'm gonna.
Right after doing
10,
school, I got
9, 8.
It's only $55. Well, if
I
you ship
told
it,
him he's
if you ship it, it's 55, but if you get it, it's 50.
2.
From him,
here.
yeah.
That's what I'm gonna get it from.
Just have him bring it for you, and it's
That's
$50.
great. He said he would.
Oh, I still got some use.
Use?
I still
Timer
got some
over
use.
13
Oh,
seconds.
I gotta come in.
Did you say Utes?
Use.
Oh, that's not the right way to do it.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
Gear down.
Oh, I love that afterburner. It looks really good.
Landing flaps.
I'm coming in just to be safe. What can I fly in the near dark? Dude, look, it doesn't...
Flaps up.
You coming, Frank? Okay, I'm all the way at the end. There you go. Nice.
God, that was a landing right there.
Sexy.
Thank you.
Frank, I want to hug you.
That was a landing right there.
Jesus!
Some lights on it.
Woo!
We should.
Yeah, these
That
guys
kit,
need lights.
that kit you talked about, I have one at home. Maybe I have one at home.
Alright, I gotta fly a Hawk 2.
Have you ever flown your Hawk today?
Nope. I've hardly flown anything today, it's so cold.
Dude, we went into the clouds and freaking disappeared.
Yeah, we were literally...
We were like, oh, where is it? It's gone, baby.
Okay, after that flight, I think Jet 14 is my new favorite. I think it's true. And I love the light when you do a steep angle.
So